Hey guys, so I wanted to give you guys a little tutorial on some basic navigation stuff for your assignments. So when you click on an assignment, math or social studies, for most of the time, I will use, sorry, you can't see what I'm pointing to on my screen. Most of the time, it'll be this little orange icon, which is a Google slideshow. What you'll see is some slides. There might be a reading section, so something for you to read. And then over here, you'll see what looks like a part of a worksheet, like a paper copy. And this is kind of where I wanted to show you. I want to show you some navigation stuff. First off, this looks like it might be a little bit hard to read. Some of you can probably read it, but if you go up to this little zoom button, you can click zoom in, and then it zooms in for you, makes the text a little bit bigger. Now, don't go grabbing this. It'll make your document a little bit funky when you have those 4 arrows. What you're going to want to do if you need to move side to side or up and down is there's this little bar here so that you can move side to side. There's this bar on the side so you can go up and down on the document. So this is your first assignment actually. So you can go ahead and read this text. How do I lead myself? How do I lead others? It's just a little bit of a review for Leader and Me. And then you can always go up here and click the zoom back out, and it zooms out. Let's navigate over here. It looks like if I had this in class, Mr. had a paper copy in front of him, Mr. Had would want me to write something on these lines. So this is the part, I still have the zoom in on. Okay, there we go, back to the arrow. So if you ever get stuck on the zoom, you can always click this and it gives you back the arrows. Now, if you click on the spot where it looks like you would have to write on the paper, double click there, the little cursor pops up, and now you can type the answer. I can be a leader by muting my microphone when Mr. Had is teaching. There you go. So you go ahead and you'll double click. How can I be a leader in school? How can I be a leader with my family? So that's how assignments will be sent. And if there's a spot where it looks like you are expected to write, you can just double click on it and you should get a text box so that you can write your answers in math or your answers in social studies.